As you create more content and build out your WordPress site, chances are you'll run into situations where you want to make changes to the attributes of several posts or pages. In those instances, you can use the bulk edit option. The bulk edit option allows you to make changes to the attributes of your content, like the author, categories, tags, and whether or not people can comment on those posts. Of course, you can't make bulk changes to the title or content. That wouldn't make any sense. But you can make changes to pretty much all of the attributes. Let me give you a couple of practical examples of how this would work. Let's say I wanted to create a new category called philosophy and apply it to some existing posts. I could go to one of the posts and then create the new category and then save that post and go back and find another post and then apply the category. Or I could even do it using the quick edit option, but instead I'm going to use bulk edit because it's much quicker. First, I need to create the category. So I'm going to go to categories and then create a new category. So I'll give it the name philosophy. And if I want to, I can also give it a description. And to create the new category, I'll click Add New Category, and I now have a new category. And of course, you see this category has 0 posts because I have yet to apply any posts to the category. Now I can go back to all posts and select the posts I want to apply this category to. So I'll select 2 posts here, Why We Take Pictures, and Time for a Fork, and then go to Bulk Actions and select Edit. When I click the Apply button, this opens the bulk editor for the posts I selected. I see a list of the posts selected here, and if I made a mistake and selected a post I shouldn't be editing, I can remove it by clicking the red X. And then I can make changes to all of these posts. Here I can apply new categories, and that's what I want to do, so I'm going to check the philosophy category. I can also add additional tags, comma separated as before, and I can make changes to the overall attributes of all of these posts. I can change the author. I can turn comments and pings on and off. I can change the status and also make these posts sticky if I want to. And I can change the post formats of these posts. But for now, I'm just going to change the category. I'll click Update. And the philosophy category is now applied to these 2 posts. Unfortunately, the bulk editor can only be used to add information or change on-off attributes. You can't use it to remove categories. So if you wanted to take categories away from a series of posts, you have to do that manually with a quick editor for each post. When you want to add new categories and the categories don't already exist, you have to go to categories and create that category. If, on the other hand, you want to apply a new tag to some of your content, you can just do it straight from the bulk editor. Now here I'm going to show you something really neat from the 2014 theme. So let's jump to the front page of the theme, just so you see what it looks like right now. You see the first post at the top and the sidebar. Now I'm going to go back to my bulk editor and select some of my posts. I'm going to select this one, and this one. Then I'm going to go to Bulk Actions and select Edit, click Apply, and this time I'm going to apply the featured tag. So I'm just going to type in featured. Now this is not a tag that exists currently, but by applying it here, it will be created. I click Update, and these 3 posts now have the featured tag. Now I can go back to my front page and reload the front page, and something really neat happens. You see, any post that you have on your site that has the tag featured will be displayed in a featured panel on the front page of your site if you're using the 2014 theme. I'll address this in more detail later on in the course, but this shows the power both of tags and of this particular theme. And you can also see how you can use the bulk edit option to quickly make dramatic changes to your site.